Do you ever get a thought stuck in your head and then you just are beating yourself up over it, over something that happened, and you wish you would have said something differently, or you can't believe that this person did this or said this thing, and it's just running and running and running in your head? Well, today I'm going to show you how to release those thoughts once and for all so you can move forward. I am Coach MARISA Reyes at The Power Within, and today I'm going to teach you how to overcome inner demons using a very simple and powerful tool called a fire ceremony. So when we find ourselves running over a situation over and over and over again, or beating ourselves up over things we wish we had done or wish we had responded in this way, whenever we find ourselves stuck in that place, there is a way to get rid of those thoughts. And it's as simple as writing them down on a sheet of paper, as specifically as you can. So perhaps you just watched a movie or a news piece, or you saw something on social media and it is sending you into a tailspin. You're going to write down exactly what that was and your feelings about it, what you wish you would have done, or how you wish it would have gone. And then you burn it. So when it goes up in smoke, that is your way of releasing those thoughts and experiences from your life so that you can move forward. So part of my healing process when I was getting over Lyme's disease is I had to do a fire ceremony every single week. You know, for me, I have a folder here where I just keep a sheet of paper and I add to it throughout the week. If somebody says something to me that's bothering me, or something happened, or I'm just feeling kind of bleh, I write that out on paper, and then every Friday I burn them. So the very first fire ceremony that I did was a big one. And it was an experience that I was devastated by. It came out of the blue. I didn't know how to handle it. And man, was I not sleeping well. And so what I did is I just wrote, and it took probably a week and a half. And I wrote about 18 pages regarding everything related to this and all of my feelings. And that was a really cool fire ceremony as I watched all that go up in smoke and was free from it in my life. So there's some things that you might need to do a fire ceremony over again and again if they keep coming up. Perhaps there were some leftover pieces, and that's okay. That's totally normal. Where should you start though? So for me, when I had that really devastating traumatic experience, that was what was consuming my thoughts. And so that's where I started. For you, it's whatever's on your mind right now that you keep thinking about. So it could be something that happened today, could be things that happened this week. That's where you should start. And if you've had trauma in your life previously, you don't need to start there unless that's what's consuming your thoughts and your energy, okay? So we're going to start small, we're going to baby step it, and as you get more comfortable doing a fire ceremony, then you can progress to those bigger experiences that you've been avoiding dealing with for a longer period of time. So I promise you that you will notice an immediate difference once you burn those papers with all those inner demon things that are going on. I believe in you. I know you can do this. And I am excited to hear how it's changing your life. So please make sure that you share it in the comments section below so that I can hear from you and others can be inspired too, that it's not just me that's doing it. It works for everyone. So I am Coach MARISA Reyes at The Power Within, and make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, The Power Within Online.